Hi, I am Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I show you how to close a Draw.io diagram. You will learn the exact workflow step by step. This is useful when you finish a diagram. It is also useful when you want to open another diagram. The important part is simple. Closing a diagram does not mean deleting it. It only closes the currently open diagram. So let us go step by step. If you like practical tutorials about Draw.io, modeling and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. What is Draw.io? Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a flexible diagramming tool. I use it for flowcharts, process diagrams, UML models, network diagrams, and many other visuals. Why should I close a Draw.io diagram correctly? Sometimes I finish one diagram and want to start another one. Sometimes I want to open an existing file, and sometimes I simply want to leave the current diagram in a clean way. Step 1. I open my diagram in Draw.io. For this example, my diagram is already open. Before I close the diagram, I check the save status. In Draw.io, you can change immediately with this red button at the top menu, or I click File, then I click Save. I can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on iMac. This makes sure that my latest changes are stored before I leave the current diagram. Now I go again to the top menu to start the actual process. The File menu opens and I go to close down the menu. Then I click Close. I only close the currently open diagram. That keeps the workflow controlled. Now I can choose what I want to do next. This is useful when I want to start with a fresh file. Or this is useful when I want to continue working on another diagram. So, close is not the end of Draw.io. It is more like returning to the starting point or to catch up at another point. Closing a Draw.io diagram is a small action, but it supports a clean workflow. It helps me finish one diagram before I start another one. It helps me avoid file confusion, and it reminds me to save my work before I leave the current diagram. If this video helped you, subscribing is the easiest way to support this channel. It costs you nothing, and it helps me create more practical Draw.io tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.